Novak Djokovic is already making a good impression on his World Tennis League teammates despite losing his opening match to Alexander Zverev. Novak Djokovic's World Tennis League teammates have praised the world number 5's influence at this week's tournament in Dubai despite a shock defeat to Alexander Zverev in what was Djokovic's first match of the week at the brand-new mixed-gender event. Djokovic's Falcons ultimately lost Tuesday's tie to Zverev's Hawks and will now be looking to redeem themselves against Nick Kyrgios's team, the Eagles. Djokovic is part of a star-studded field at the all-new World Tennis League exhibition tournament in Dubai this week, which sees top men's and women's players team up and face off in a mixed doubles and 2 singles matches. The 21-time Grand Slam champion is on Team Falcons with Grigor Dimitrov, Paula Badosa and Aryna Sabalenka, who lost to Team Hawks Zverev, Dominic Thiem, Elena Rybakina and Anastasia Pavlyuchenkova in their first tie of the week. The Falcons' fate was in the Serbs' hands on Tuesday after Dimitrov and Badosa won the mixed doubles before Rybakina won the women's singles, but Djokovic, who ended 2022 in unstoppable form, was stunned by Zverev, who defeated the world number 5 to win the final match of the day 6-3, 6-4. Despite suffering a shock loss, Djokovic's teammates lauded his influence as they shared their excitement to learn from the best. "We're having fun, enjoying, and at the same time competing," Badosa said after she and Dimitrov defeated the Hawks' Thiem and Pavlyuchenkova, with heavy support from Djokovic on the team bench. "It's a good opportunity for us, it's an amazing chance to share moments with Novak, learning from him as well." Meanwhile, Zverev explained his emotions after defeating Djokovic as the German has been sidelined with injury since June and only made his return to a match court during the Diriyah Tennis Cup exhibition 2 weeks ago, where he won 1 match in 2 first to 10-point tiebreak sets before losing 6-0, 6-4 to Daniil Medvedev. "The atmosphere was amazing," the 19-time title winner said. "I've missed being on court, I've missed playing in front of this kind of crowd, in these stadiums. I knew I had to play the best tennis I've played in the last 7 months, which is not that difficult, but I'm happy to get my first win in a long time."